Conveniently located in East Gosford, Bridge Mowers and Chainsaws have serviced both the trade and homeowners for over 50 years, from all over the Central Coast and surrounding suburbs. We offer off-street parking for your convenience. Now that alone is worth a visit to discuss your needs. We stock all major brands, including Echo, Maruyama, Victor, Toro, Massport, Craftsman, as shown on our website. We are also the exclusive supplier to all Shindaiwa products. We sell only the very best quality products and we are 100% Australian owned. And yes, we deliver. We offer highly competitive prices and the largest stock range, so why go anywhere else? Come in and chat to the experts and view our products firsthand. Bridge Mowers and Chainsaws, you simply don't need to go anywhere else.